this is such a safe space. This is such a sanctuary. It's like the moment you walk in, you almost feel better. My name's Peter Schorsch. I'm a local St. Petersburg guy. I play a lot of tennis. I've gone through a big weight loss journey of almost 120 pounds. I don't know if there's a camera big enough to capture all of me because at the beginning of 2022, I was almost 370 pounds coming out of the pandemic. And I decided to get healthier. And that is like turning around an aircraft carrier. And so I started walking, and then I started biking, and then I started working out. And then I got to September, October of 2022, and I started playing tennis again. And that was the first time I played tennis in over 15 years. And then I get to February, I remember because it was President's Day weekend, and I was in New York having been stretched earlier that day. And I remember looking at my wife and I said, I can't walk. In fact, now, multiple months later, as I come over here, and I'm probably about 75 to 80% back, where I'm playing tennis almost every day again. As I'm driving over here, my body starts to feel better. It's psychosemantic, I get it, but that's how good it is. The moment I get into the car and I know where I'm going and it says back to normal, I start to feel better having either like played tennis for a while or worked out or something like that. And I'm still a little, I still have some things that are tight. I still have some things that need to be worked on. But I know as soon as I get here, as soon as I see Danielle, as soon as I see Heather, things are going to be better. The thing that I really, really, really like is the kind of the contrast between Danielle and Heather. I'll go to Danielle one day and I'll get one set of really smart advice, and then I'll work with Heather, and I know that they work together, and it's two different energies, two different ideas, but yet it comes together. And so when I get to Friday, having gone back and forth with them both, it's just such a great contrast between the two, but I know that there's a unifying goal, and that's to get me literally back to normal. I see myself still coming because I feel like they're gonna help me along this great health journey that I'm on.